Welcome to the Resume Builder tutorial. Once you reach that page, you have to click on Create Resume and you can see a lot of templates present over here and select one of them, suiting your needs. You can add a name to the resume and you can use your professional data if you want to. The professional data is set up during the time of onboarding or you can update it when you want to. This information is directly fetched from here and will be added into your resume section so you don't have to add every time you create a new resume. You can also choose not to add it and have a default resume with system data in it and then update it as per your needs. Right now, we are choosing professional data from the profile. This is how the resume builder looks like. You have resume section, you have information where you can edit page, and you also have a view of the resume. The resume sections have personal, education, experience, languages, and skills in it. And you can edit it as per your needs. Right now, we are trying to add a profile picture. Please add your own profile picture instead of a random profile picture that's been added here. You can edit details in the section and click on the green button to save it. You can use any of the other templates that were shown in the first screen right from the resume builder as well. Please ensure when you click on apply, all the data for the design section is lost as you are switching to a new template design. So if you have any customization in the design section, it will be gone. Here, I would like to have experience on the top and education on the bottom, so I can reorder my resume section as per my needs. I can also set the job context or a university context based on where I want to apply for, and also have a custom context as well. Here, you can copy paste the job description in case you have not added it in your job tracker. Right now, we'll focus on the job tracking part. So I have three jobs in my job tracker. I'll choose one of them. So this would be the context that would be set for the entire resume. We can use modify with AI in the sections that have the availability of modify with AI and automatically click on generate. We can also customize some section based on the jobs that we have in our tracker or use custom sections as well. Here we click on generate, we see the AI generated view. We also have edit for AI, where we can edit the AI generated context and also apply it if needed. This is the language section where you can set the tone and the language for this resume. For example, right now it's in English and we want to change it to any other languages. So let's say we do it German. Now, when you click for use with AI, you will see on the top of global setting that the language is set to German and the context that we already had set is already present. And now when we click on generate, we get German text. So this reduces your time to modify a CV based on a given job. And same can be done for experience as well. You can add in new positions as follows. And as suggested, when you click on the green button, it will be saved. You can type in the text that you want over here, and modify with AI will only work once you have the descriptions written here. In the skill section, you can use modify with AI, which will automatically give you skills based on the job that you're applying for. So here it will use the context and it will give you the skills that are needed for it. We recommend you to double check it in case there is any wrong information over here. We can also import resume based on the language that we want. For example, we can choose any other languages that's given over here. In case you want Dutch, you can choose Dutch. Right now we choose German. And when I click on choose file, you can see I'm selecting a resume which is in English. And now it will automatically be converted into German when you import it. The template you are currently seeing now is ATS friendly and can be parsed by a lot of ATS systems. This became a two-page resume. You have to edit it just in case you want it in one page, or if you want to add in more experiences or about skills or about your education, you can add it in the sections as well. Next, what we want to show you is the AI resume analysis. So what it does is it gives you an ATS score based on the resume that you have and also the job context that is there. You will get a notification in your email once the analysis is done. For now, we can move on to the next section of the resume builder to show you how to import resume from the start. For example, if we don't want to use a professional data, what we can do is we can use system generated data and then import the resume that we want to. We can also work on the generated data over here and modify it as per our needs. We have edit only view and we also have preview only, so you can see how your resume looks like. We recommend you use split screen in case you are using desktop versions. We try to import our resume as shown, and as you can see, the resume has been imported. You can import any resume in your format and it will be automatically translated into the format that's given in our system. You can also modify the design as was stated before. You can play around with the settings that you want. Please keep in mind if you change the template, these settings will go away. And you can play with other settings of the other templates as well. Here we removed extra underlines and you can see the underline sections are removed from the work experience. Now we can go back and check if the resume analysis is done. I have already received an email that my analysis was complete, so I go back to the resume in which I started analyzing my resume score. And here it's loading. You see over the loading section, there are 5 problems that it has figured out. One is urgent, one is critical, and 3 are optional. And you can see and understand what the issue is about, and you can fix it by yourself. This is an important section to let you know what exactly you are missing and what exactly is needed for the job. Once you fix the thing, you can also click on the tick button and it will show you it has been fixed or not. You can track all your issues over here by the section that you want to. So if you go in your experience section, you see there's one issue and you can click on mark as read or mark as done and it will be done. It will not be shown again. And additionally, you can download the resume in the PDF form without any watermark. And you can also test the ATS score in any other LLM, ChatGPT or Gemini in case you want, and check out the ATS score based on this. You can do changes based on the analysis that was given and improve your ATS score and then apply for the job. Additionally, you can see all the AI services that were used and how much limit you have left. We recommend you to use the Pro trial version and use your own API key in case you want to utilize the application further. Thank you for your time. Have a